We're the DropTask team and we'd like to welcome you to DropTask Chat. I'm Rachel and I'm going to show you how to get started. Click on your colleagues' avatars to open up a one-on-one chat. By bringing chat into DropTask, communication across your teams is centralised in one dynamic space. Bring life to your discussions by adding emojis to your message by simply hitting the emoji button.
Hi, I'm Rowan. Quickly connect with others you would like to chat with by entering their email address in the chat sidebar. You also have the option of chatting with existing contacts. You can do this by selecting the plus icon to open a new chat. With the status indicator, you'll be able to spot who's online at a single glance. You also have the option to mark people you work with most often as favourites, and these will appear at the top of your contact list.
Hi, I'm Cara. We know that tasks and projects spring from conversations with your team. Simply click the tick icon to send a task, give your task a name. All tasks shared between colleagues can be seen in the Sent and Receive tabs at the top of a discussion, making delegation and workload management easier than ever before.
Hi, I'm Meg and welcome to Group Chat. To create group conversations, simply add the contacts you wish to have in your group and start chatting. You can also change the name of the group, as well as the group's icon. By communicating within DropTask, you'll reduce waiting times and streamline conversations otherwise lost in lengthy email threads. You can even react to colleagues' messages with emojis. We hope you'll enjoy using our new feature, DropTask Chat. Sign up for free today and discover teamwork like never before.